remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Ribeye steak, and this one is a beauty. And I purchased this in a local butcher, the Meat Hook here in Virginia. And this one is 1 1/4 inch thick, size of my hand too. So the only thing you need here is some salt and pepper or salt. And in my case, I'm going to use some Arctic thyme salt, some salt that I imported from Iceland. But salt and pepper should be sufficient. You just put a little bit here, rub it in, and you do the same on the other side. So what I have here is my butter mix. That butter mix that I'm going to use for my steak. I have a link in my description that shows you how to make it if you want to look into in the future. So what you need is about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a quarter of butter. You can have more. About a garlic clove, mince. You don't want it chopped, you want it minced. Salt. This has some thyme. And optionally, I have some saffron. This one is Persian. I ordered this one too. Small business. I will put link in the description in the event that you are interested. I don't get anything, by the way, for sharing. I just like to share good products, especially if it comes from small businesses. And what you do is you smash everything together, get those flavor mix. You can add some pepper too if you want to. In fact, I'm going to do that now. And then you smash stuff together, okay? Get those flavor mix. Use what you need to use, and the rest is put in the refrigerator for another steak or whatever you want to cook. Look at this beauty, huh? My butter mix for steaks. So I have this cast iron preheating. I have it right now at high heat. This cast iron is about 100 years old, by the way. So I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil. Enough to cover like the surface area. Then I'm going to reduce the heat to like medium high, or a couple notches above medium. And I'm going to bring this beauty. I had this steak out of the refrigerator for about 30-40 minutes. You want it to go to room temperature before you start cooking. 1 1/4 inch thickness, my type of stove, cast iron. I said I had to go on one side for about 5 minutes. And then I take a look from there and determine how much is going to be in the other side. But I think 5 minutes in one side is a safe bet, and then I play by ear. After about 5 minutes, you're going to turn this baby. But before you do that, you want to get that fat cooked on the edges. And do that about a minute. Flip it. And what I like to do, I like to add some minced garlic, and then I add some of my butter mix. Then I like to add from the butter mix. I like to add the juices, some stuff. Get this baby nice and moist. Fold that baby up so it's tender, juicy, nicely cooked. And I say I'll do about a couple minutes, maybe 3 minutes on the other side. And now you put this baby to rest for at least 5 or so minutes.